Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the display and brightness. Now we have to scroll down to localize auto screen off, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 30 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 30 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.